Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Siacoin. Siacoin is at this time in the cryptocurrencies market very badly fast down friends. The price of the Siacoin is going down hour by hour, minute by minute. So what's the reason behind that? Why the price of Siacoin is every time fast down? Why we are looking every time the Siacoin changes occur as negative? As you can see here at this time also the Siacoin price changes occur as negatively. So why? What's the reason behind that? In this video I will show you friends. So please keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing Abhi's Tech channel. Let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Siacoin. 0.036475 USD dollar is the currently this time price of the Siacoin. And if you look the changes occur in the Siacoin, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, the last 1 week change is negative. As I told you that the whole changes occur in the Siacoin as negative risk. And if we look the last time at this time the currently situation of the Siacoin in the market, so the currently situation of the Siacoin is also in the negative risk. So friends, what's the next move of the Siacoin? A lot of people also ask me this question, so let's do a technical analysis, and I hope that there is a 100% chances to they take a jump in the future friends. Let's check it out. As you can see here, take a jump, and after jump fast down friends, same like that. This time they bounce with the support line, and after bouncing the support line, I hope I'm 100% sure that they take a jump, and I hope that this jump is the highest jump of the Siacoin at this time. So pray for that this jump is the highest jump of the Siacoin friends in the next phase. And if you look the last 20 price since occur in the Siacoin, so negative 1.48% negative since occur in the Siacoin, and the highest price is 0.039199 USD dollar is the highest price of the Siacoin in the 24-hour friends. My prediction is 100% positive. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.